Hello. I'm on top of Babylonstoren Koppie and I've brought you to my favorite rock. I think everybody should have a favorite rock. So over here we're on the southeastern side of the Koppie, the little hill, and in summertime we've got this incredible wind just blasting down this tunnel, hammering itself onto these rocks, and I love this imprint that the Cape Southeaster has made in the rock over here. So I think in our winter time we tend to have time to again just look at the basics. What are we actually working with? And as gardeners, soil is of course my speciality, and the soil is made from the rocks. So it's interesting to see the erosion that has worked here, the wind erosion, and then also the lichen that's marking the rock here. Lichen is responsible for most of the erosion on rocks. And it's just this very, very slow process to give us something to work with as a gardener. But I'm also admiring these little moss pillows nestling within the sandstone. So it really is about the reverence of where things come from and where we're heading to.